Good day, we are the group 4 and for today's topic will be safe mooring key challenges. So for our course outcome is at the end of the session, the students shall be able to learn safe mooring practices, and for our learning outcome is at the end of the session, the students shall be able to determine safe mooring practices. So the importance of this topic. So the key to safe and effective mooring operations is planning and ensuring that appropriate procedures are followed. A mooring operation risk assessment should always be carried out. Suitable controls and procedures should be in place to minimize the risks identified for this operation. So the topic will be started by Islet Treasure John.
Eslet TJ, and I am going to continue the report. So here's my part about the safe mooring K challenges. So Intertanco publishes guide on mooring system, management plans, and line management plans. With this guide, Intertanco aims to help operators manage the relevant equipment and the lines from designs to retirement. In fact, MEG4 states that the plans must be remain on board ship during its life as part of the management of change records. This ensures that documents and records are not lost. While it is also suggested that all information regarding the mooring of the vessel is considered a complete system. The plans should also incorporate a record of any changes to have it taken place to the mooring equipment and arrangements since the vessel was built. For the next slide we're going to talk about the mooring system management plan. So here, Intertanco notes that the MSMP should ensure that the mooring system is inspected, maintained, and operated according to the original design basis. The information that is included in MSMP must be available to anyone who needs to review it. In addition, the MSMP has to specific for each ship and add to its safety management system. By using goal-based approach, the key elements of the mooring system are identified against which high-level goals are set out supported by detailed functional requirements. Lastly, for the mooring system management plan. What is more? A register of the mooring system components must be kept throughout the ship's life, an accompanying mooring system management plan register. Specifically, the MSMP should include the following. This is a Part A to Part G. So the Part A, General Ship's Particulars. Part B, Mooring Equipment's Design Philosophy. Part C, Detailed List of Mooring Equipment. Part D, Inspection, Maintenance, and Retirement Strategies. For Part E, Risk and Change Management, Safety, Personnel, and Human Factors. Part F, Records and Documentation. Part G, Mooring System Management Plan, Register, or MSMPR. And that's all about my report. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Cadet Gatab. Line Management Plan. MIG4 also contains a description of Line Management Plan or LMP, which is specific to an operator, ship type, and trade route. Nonetheless, MIG4 provides general guidance on creating an LMP, namely, and must include all the requirements for the way that lines are maintained, inspected, and retired, and each of these parts should be described in detail in the plan. Moreover, the inspection section should also demonstrate how and when the inspection should take place. So the scope of line management plan is to manage the operation and retirement of mooring lines and tails. It should include the retirement criteria along with assumptions and evaluation methods. The line management plan is specific to an operator, ship type, as what I have said earlier. So line management plan main components include records of mooring hours, line inspection records and plans, manufacturer and operator retirement criteria, test or inspection reports, manufacturer's recommendations following tests or inspections. So that's all of my part in this report. So next report over, please.
Line Management Plan. According to MEG 4, or Mooring Equipment Guidelines, the operator is responsible for ensuring the right development and implementation of the LMP or Line Management Plan. Similar with the Mooring System Management Plan Register or MSMPR, the LMP is a live document and can be held either in hard or soft version. However, it must be incorporated into the vessel's document control system and be subject to change management controls to ensure a complete history. It should also be easily accessed for internal and external compliance verification, ship personnel training, and communication with manufacturers. MEG 4 also contains a description of the Line Management Plan or LMP, which is specific to an operator, ship type, and trade route. Nonetheless, MEG 4 provides general guidance on creating a LMP. Namely, it must include all requirements for the way that lines are maintained, inspected, and retired, and each of these parts should be described in detail in the plan. Moreover, the inspection section should also demonstrate how and when the inspection should take place.